So just a few days ago, I got asked a question: what is the best affiliate marketing method for long-term growth? Stuff that you can do now, doesn't matter what your experience is, beginners, the whole lot, doesn't really matter. And what actually is that, and what can you use to go from a normal income to a exponential income and be able to actually scale that up so you're getting passive income coming in every single month? So what I did was I actually had a look, and I've got a video that I recorded probably a couple of weeks ago now that I thought answers this question absolutely perfectly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show that to you. Now, if you want to see more content like this, if you want to get more internet marketing, affiliate marketing tips, then please do me a favor, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button as well, and also hit that bell icon so you can get notified of my very next video. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover the best affiliate marketing method that absolutely anyone can do to allow you to actually scale your business for long-term growth. Because you want to be here for a long time, you want to make some quick cash and then get out, you want to actually build a really sustainable business. I'm talking 6 to 7 figures here, and this is the method that you can use. So let's go check out this video over on my computer right now. We're going to start to discuss the best affiliate marketing method that's actually going to provide you some long-term growth. Now, there's a number of different options. I'm going to go through some of the options and which one I highly recommend that we do, and this is what we're going to focus on throughout the training. So option number one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to a bit of software that shows us like a visual of this, okay? So option number one, let me go over and show you exactly what option number one is. Let me just pop that open now. So the traffic, we send traffic directly through our affiliate link straight to the offer's sales page. So the product you're promoting, and then they come over here and they purchase the offer. Very, very simple. That's option number one. Or on the other hand, we have an extra step which works a little better, is where you have traffic. We send traffic to a raw URL going straight to our landing page. A landing page is just a fancy name. It's not even a fancy name. It's just a name for a page that we have where we provide some information about that product to get them excited and interested in that particular product. And then on here, we have the affiliate link. Okay, so before we have the affiliate link directly from the traffic, here we send traffic to a page where on that page, we have an affiliate link. That then sends people to the offer sales page, all right, the affiliate offer sales page. They like the product, they buy the product, and you get paid, all right? That's primarily how option one is going to work. There is an issue or the problem that I find using option number one. First of all, you don't actually build an audience of repeatable buyers. So these people turning up, they buy, that's it, they're gone, you never see them again, all right? So it's not something that you can repeat, all right? You're not going to get additional purchases out of that particular person. Secondly, you have to sell to new people every week. So because that person's seen your offer, they buy the offer, they're gone, you won't see that person again. So to get another sale the next week, the next day, whatever, you have to find a new person, completely new person, to convince them again to buy that particular product. So that's another problem. Thirdly, it's very, very, very hard to scale your actual income and results, all right? Because you have to find new people constantly. There's nothing residual about it. There's nothing passive about it. You have to go out and find that person. They buy it, find another person, they buy it, another person, they buy it. So let's just say, for example, you're selling, a $100 product, and you want to make $10,000 a month. So you have to find, 100 people? Yeah, you have to find 100 people in month one. Now, month two, that 100 people you sold originally, they're gone. You've got to find a new 100 people to buy that product, and same after month after month after month. So it kind of gets a little hard to scale that up. So the other thing is your traffic source. If your traffic source stops, so if you're doing some sort of advertising on a traffic source and your account gets shut down, or if you can no longer do that particular traffic source for whatever reason, what happens is your income stops, all right? Because you've just run out of traffic, okay? Without that traffic consistently coming through to make that new sale, your income's gone, all right? It's just completely stops. The other thing is it's really not sustainable for the long term, right? Over a long-term period, it's not sustainable because you've got to promote and sell a new thing to a new person every single day in order to do that, and then repeat that month after month. It gets very tiring. And if you want to build a business for long-term growth, this is really not the option that I want to take you down. All right? I'm not going to be teaching you this particular option. So now we get into option number two. And once again, I'm just going to flip over and show you a visual of what option number two looks like. Okay, now option number two is far better. we're going to teach you this, but we're going to teach you a little bit of a twist on it, which is going to make it really, really cool. All right, so option number 2, right? Now this looks a little confusing. Let me explain it. I'll use my mouse here. We have the traffic. Now what we do is we send them to what's called a opt-in page. So this allows you to have repeat buying from the same customer, okay? So we send people to an opt-in page where we offer something in return for their email address. And then they go to a thank you page. The thank you page primarily just thanks them. It says, keep an eye out for an email from myself, all right? And it also then gives them whatever it is that they opted in for originally. Whatever it is that you promised to give them, this is where you provide that. And then on that same page, you also can then say to them, by the way, to get the next level or to get the full product or to get, like, let's say you're selling a pair of jeans, right? On this page, you say, cool, no worries. That free pair of jeans is on its way, right? We're going to send it to you. But wouldn't you need a Nike shirt or some Nike socks or whatever to go with that? Click the link below and go and check that out. All right, we'll give you a special deal or whatever it is. Now that link is a affiliate link. All right. Then they go to the affiliate offer sales page. Then they go on and purchase. Now, a couple of things happen here. One, we have got them to opt in. So when we do opt in, we're actually collecting an email address. All right, we're actually collecting an email address. So they come down here and they become what's called an email subscriber. And we have a special software that we put these email lists or email subscribers into. And then what we do is we set up automation. We have multiple emails that go out. Now the first number of emails, because statistically, for people to buy something, they usually need to see that offer, 4, 5, 6, 7 times before they say, yep, this is what I want, and they go and purchase it. It's the same concept as what they call retargeting or remarketing. You know how if you go look at, barbecues on a barbecue website or whatever, or shoe website or whatever it is, right? And then you go to Facebook and all of a sudden all the ads are like trying to sell you more barbecues, more shoes or whatever it is. They're chasing you around the internet. That's called retargeting. And we do a similar thing here. We can actually then remind them of that particular offer, and we send them back to that original offer that they may have looked at but didn't buy. We repeat that in different ways, unique ways that don't annoy people but help people, over and over for 4 to 5 days. And eventually, somewhere in that process, the person will actually purchase that particular product. So we're not losing a customer, we're not losing a lead, or traffic is not going out the window because we are retaining it through an opt-in. Then we have additional emails, meaning that you can then promote additional related offers. So let's just say you sold like a weight loss product, for instance, right? And then the next logical thing is, okay, they need a keto diet, right? Or some gym equipment. Okay, so now you can promote additional offers through the additional emails that go out automatically at time intervals that you select. It's quite amazing how this can be done. And they go out for as long as you want, a month, 2 months, 6 months, 12 months, whatever. So the only job you have to do is send traffic to your opt-in page, and then the automation of the entire system takes over and starts to produce you multiple sales from that one lead, from that one traffic person, that one person that visited your initial website. So this is really going to allow you to scale. So option number 2, that is what it is. Now, the beautiful part about this is this allows you to build an audience of repeat buyers, right? And hopefully you get that by now. It also allows you to build your income over time, and it actually compounds, okay? Because as you send more people into the opt-in, your email list is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Hence, more people are going through that series of emails, seeing multiple different offers and purchasing different things along the line, okay? So your income actually grows from that initial bit of work over time. You can promote multiple related offers to your particular list, all right? We're gonna get into all this stuff and how to do it very, very soon. But you can promote multiple offers, okay? They are also a qualified lead, all right? Because what they've done is they've shown some form of commitment by actually giving you their email address, okay? So when there's a form of commitment shown, they're more likely to go on and make that purchase, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but they will over a small period of time because they have shown that level of commitment. They're serious, they really need a solution to whatever the problem is. And we're gonna provide that with an affiliate offer, with a product. Now, this type of model is extremely scalable. You can scale this to the moon, all right? This works really, really good when it comes to scaling up, okay? Because you just send more people in and those people are not wasted. They're buying more and more and more things. You take some of your profit, you put more money back through the system to get more leads, and your business grows automatically while you're asleep. You do not need to be in front of the computer 24 hours a day to do this. It's also very sustainable and can be completely automated, right? Which is the exciting part. And that's what I'm going to show you in this particular training. Now, there is another option, okay? It's option number 2 again, but this one, I like to say it's option 2 on steroids. So let me show you what this particular one is and why it's so cool, and show you this. Hopefully this is sort of helping you understand how this works. So this is option 2 on steroids. It's exactly the same except for a little tweak. So we have our opt-in, we have our thank you page, we have our initial affiliate offer that we're going to promote, the sales page, and we make an initial commission, right? We still collect the email addresses and we send people back to that original offer to make sure that they go ahead and purchase that if that's what they need or is going to fix their problem. And then we go ahead and we do the same thing. We send additional emails to additional offers that are all related. But here's the tweak on this. Here's the difference, okay? With this one here, we promote what's called needed products, not wanted products. When you want something, it's cool, you can get it or not get it. But when you need it and you have to have it because it's essential to fix that problem and it's the only solution for you, then you are definitely going to get it, all right? Now, what we want to have is things that are reoccurring, subscription-based. Now, what's the point of that? Obviously, it means, let's say someone purchased something worth $20. You as an affiliate, you get a commission of $10. Now, you don't have to spend any more money on traffic. That person is going to renew their subscription next month. You get another 10. The month after, you get another 10. So you can imagine as you send more and more people through, you're building up a reoccurring passive income where you could literally stop sending traffic completely and still get paid every single month. Then we also put in the mix there some mid-ticket affiliate offers. Mid-ticket meaning anything from, say, $150, $200 up to about $400, $500, where that's the commission you get. So get 1 or 2 of those coming in per week. Now you're really earning good money, way more than full-time income on some of these things. Then you would promote another reoccurring offer. Then you promote a high ticket offer. All right, so you see what we're doing here? We're just throwing in a mix of different offers. High ticket meaning you get paid anything from $500 to $2,000 or $3,000 or $4,000 for someone to purchase that particular solution. Okay, and then another reoccurring offer, another reoccurring. So by the time the person's gone through the whole thing, we're not promoting junk. We're promoting things that they actually need and it's going to actually help them. They may pick up 1 or 2 of these, meaning you're now building a passive reoccurring income and you're making some high ticket, mid-ticket commissions along the way, meaning that that one lead could be worth to you over what we call an LTV, a lifetime value, hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over a period of time. Think about it. How many times do you go to your Walmart or your local shops? You buy something, all right, a friend tells you about another cool thing that's there that you want to buy, you go back and buy another thing, and you buy another thing, and that you become a customer for a long, long time, for years, and you're going to buy multiple things over a long period of time. So the value that you are worth to that company is not the one-time purchase, it's the multiple purchases over a year, 2 years, 3 years, however long you are shopping at that particular venue, okay? So you get this long-term value or lifetime value of a customer, right? Means you make more money, okay? Hopefully that sinks in. It's going to sink in more as we go through and do all the good stuff that we're going to go through as well. So let me just continue on here. We nearly finished this one here. I try not to make these too long. This all has the same benefits as the basic option number 2, okay? But like I was saying before, it's actually more scalable, all right, over the long term, and your income actually grows in a compounding fashion. So the income growth compounds, all right? So one person can be worth way more over a period of time, and you keep sending people through that particular funnel, as we call it, and your income just compounds. It just gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and you're building an asset, which is that email list, all at the same time. So let me quickly explain to you how the reoccurring model can compound your actual profits. So let's just say month one, and these are just figures. You don't have to spend this. You don't have to do any of this sort of stuff. I'm just teaching you what we do. Let's say month one, you spend, say, $300 on ads, which is about $10 a day on ads, okay? Which is not much, but it's about $10 a day. At the end of that month, that period of time, you get, let's say you get 10, which is minimal, but let's say you get 10 new reoccurring sales, and you're getting around about $30 per month for that particular sale. Now, obviously 10 times 30 is going to mean you have made $300 in commission. Now, you're probably thinking, well, that sucks. I just spent 300 and I've made 300. I've got nowhere. What's the point? But this is the benefit of reoccurring models on things people need, not want. What happens is now you've actually built a list at the end of that month one, and you've actually broken even, right? You've spent nothing, but you've built an email list. Now what happens month two, you go and spend another $300 on ads, okay? You get another 10 reoccurring sales at $30 per month, another $300 comes in, you've broke even again, you've basically covered your cost on ads. But here's the thing, because of what you did in month one, you actually built a list again at the end of month two, and you've broken even, plus you're getting paid that $300 residual from month one. All right, so now you're spending 300, you're making 600, you're $300 in front. Hope you can see where this is going. So this is a shorter breakdown of it. Month one, you pretty much break even. Month two, you break even on your ad costs and you make $300 from month one. Month three, you break even again on your ad costs plus $600 from month one and two, and you've just only spent $300. And you can see how this is going. Month four, break even, $900 is coming in every single month now because of what you did in month one, two, and three. Okay, month five, break even. Now you got $1,200 coming in every single month from the work you did month one, two, three, and four. All right. Month six, you break even. Now you're up to $1,500, $1,500 a month. Month seven, $1,800 a month. Month eight, $2,100 per month. Month nine, nearly $2,500 per month. Month 10, $2,700 per month. Now, all of this is without actually scaling or anything like that. Okay, so this example shows you just one reoccurring, low-paying product without scaling, because you could take that to $5, $6, $7, $10 plus $1,000 per month without you being there, and it just keeps growing. Okay, so hopefully you liked that video. Once again, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You'll actually see some links in the description below of the next video to watch, and a video will probably pop up right now, and you can go and watch that as well, which is going to be great training. All right, see you in the next one.